Why every homeowner needs a trusted local locksmith. When it comes to protecting your home and family, having a trusted local locksmith is just as important as having a good alarm system or sturdy doors. Locks are your home's first line of defense, and only a professional locksmith can ensure they're properly installed, maintained, and functioning at their best. Whether you've just moved into a new home, lost a key, or experienced a break-in, a reliable locksmith provides the peace of mind that your property is secure. Local locksmiths offer personalized service that national chains and big box stores simply can't match. They're familiar with the specific security challenges in your area and can recommend lock systems that are best suited for your neighborhood and lifestyle. From rekeying existing locks to upgrading to smart home security, a local expert can provide fast, customized solutions without unnecessary upsells. And because they're nearby, response times are typically much faster in emergencies. Beyond emergency lockouts, a trusted locksmith can be a long-term security partner. They can help with key duplication, garage door locks, deadbolt installation, and even high security systems. Regular maintenance from a local locksmith can prevent lock failures, keep your home secure, and extend the life of your hardware. Investing in a relationship with a trusted locksmith means you'll always have someone you can count on when safety matters most. Visit the link in the description below for more information.